And we cut across to these latest pictures coming in from the Beating the Retreat ceremony at the Atari Wagah border as India is celebrating 79th Independence Day. My colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu, who joins us from the Atari Wagah border, where clearly the Josh is high. And Kamaljeet, I see you right there. Of course, an elaborate arrangement as always as it is. But this year is important because this is coming after Operation Sindoor. There have been several questions on why engage with Pakistan when we are disengaging at every level. And while these questions continue, but how is the Josh at the Atari Wagah border where you're standing?
Well, this marks 100 days of Operation Sindoor and the moment is electrifying out here. North to south, east to west, everything comes down here at the Atari Wagah border. Now, what we know is there are no exchange of sweets, no handshake. The gates going to be all closed. That's the Pakistan audience right there. On 14th August, it was their Independence Day. But they know these gates won't open. That's the message to Pakistan, that there can't be any sort of friendship. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi calling the bluff. But meanwhile, this is the 78th Independence Day and there is electrifying performances one after the other. And there you see, this time around, it's not just these performances, unveiling of Mahatma Gandhi portrait. That is something which is new. Also is the mist fans. Remember, time and again, the audience has been braving the heat. But there it is, the audience now really coming in. Let's just try and get you a sense. Every year, but this year is special because this comes after Operation Sindoor. What is the feeling of a common citizen? Where have you come from?
We've come from Delhi. I'm very excited to be here. It's my first time. And it's a very hard-won independence all those years ago. So it's very nice to see everyone here.
What about you? Where are you from?
I'm from Ayodhya. And we all made up our mind that after Operation Sindoor, we must visit the border. And I was informed by a lot of people that these borders are shut because of our government's choice. But after seeing Operation Sindoor, now that we know, if the government wants within 3 hours, our flags will be also hoisted in Lahore within 3 hours.
You know, Pakistanis are right across there looking over. But what's the sense that you get, you know? Is it sometime because, you know, the awards have been given, the bravery awards, but you think this is a chapter no Indian is going to forget anytime soon? Have you come here before? What is the difference, if any?
No, ma'am, this is my first time when I came to Atari border, and it's just because of the Operation Sindoor. Because after Operation Sindoor, the unity which came in India and the nationality which we all feel proud about our armed forces. So I decided that this year I'm going to celebrate my Independence Day at Wagah border.
Braving the heat, but BSF has done some arrangements out here. But let me show you how the culture is really imbibed. Is also the culture here, the Gatka, which is something which has been known for Nihangs here, now being showcased. So this is where it draws the audience from north to south, east to west. So this is actually a culmination where all Indians really meet. And what you can see is the dog out there. But not only are they guarding this area, there's going to be a dog show right after this performance itself. But this is where the media personnel standing. Every year the gate opens and that is where there's a handshake and the lowering of the flag which happens around late in the evening. But here it is, the gates firmly being closed, and that's the larger message to Pakistan that the sort of misadventure, whether be it the Pahalgam terror attack and thereafter the surgical strike which was done by India and Pakistan sending in ballistic missiles. This is where what we know is the message coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, especially today on 15th of August, but also it's the local people who gather here. So do people from all across the country. These are performances which enthrall the audiences, but also shows that India is one. That India is one, and that is where this is what we've seen is at a point of time. Look at those people. Everybody trying to capture this, and it's a long weekend. So what we know is The numbers are quite huge. Look at this. We'll just try and see if we can try and get in more people to react to this. And where are you from? Where are you from? And Mumbai. Do tell us. All Indians come here at least once. Have you been here? And what motivates you to?
I have been here, I think year 1993. After that, I am here today. So it's a long time, but
Sir, where are you from?
अमृतसर
अमृतसर. आप तो आते रहते होंगे, तो इस साल क्या फर्क है ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बाद?
अभी ये देखो ये स्टेडियम बन गया है वो भी लोग आ रहे हैं अच्छा लग रहा है
पर आपको लग रहा है ये गेट तो खुलेंगे नहीं?
खुलेगा खुलेगा
So many people believe that it's going to open. How has the performances been so far?
Fabulous, very athletic, lots of energy, absolutely great.
So this is a time where people capture the moment, but importantly is a newer portrait of Mahatma Gandhi. The one faces Muhammad Ali Jinnah in Pakistan. So there it is, gates firmly closed, no handshake, no exchange of sweets, but also all the audiences coming together at this point of time.
Right.
Also,
Right, Kamalji, the pictures certainly speaking for themselves, and the crowds that are filled up in full swing